Looking to outfit your home for comfort and safety as you age? The Restore ACR walk-in tub, manufactured exclusively by Mansfield, delivers the peace of mind you're looking for with intelligent features and an attractive, easy-to-install design. The Restore has a low threshold that makes entry and exit easy, helping reduce the risk of slips and falls. And the ergonomic door handle is uniquely designed to operate with a light touch, requiring little force to open and close the watertight door. While you're bathing, indulge in a spa-like experience thanks to hydrotherapy controlled by a user-friendly electronic keypad. Soothe muscles and ease tension with jets focused on key pressure points, and recline against a heated sloped backrest designed to cradle your back, neck, and shoulders. The tub seat, elevated to a smart height for safer sitting and rising, is compliant with the specifications of the Americans with Disabilities Act. Restore also has a hygienic seat channel, which makes it easier to wash hard-to-reach areas without lifting your body. Once your bath is complete, the drain can be released without bending, so you can simply step out of the tub effortlessly, feeling refreshed and relaxed. Enjoy the freedom to remain in your home longer with a bath that delivers comfort, serenity, and confidence. The Restore ACR walk-in tub, only from Mansfield.